Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I will show you really quickly how you can delete recently viewed pins on Pinterest. It is super simple, beginner friendly, and it works on both device types, on desktop computer as well as mobile. So let's get started. In the first step, head over to pinterest.com, log into your account of course, and next click on your profile icon here in the top right corner. That will take you to your profile page here on Pinterest. Next, select all pins here below, and the following is super simple guys. You can either click on the search bar here at the top to check your browse history here on Pinterest. For example, to delete search terms or keywords you have searched for, simply click on that X icon here next to the search term to delete it. So that's how you can delete your recent searches. And another option would be guys to simply delete all the pins you have watched or visited here on that list. Simply click on the given pin and select delete here to delete the given pin from that list. And that's basically it guys. Thanks for watching and have a great day.